So guys, yan siya. Pag normal days, pag normal lang yung ginagawa niya. Alright? Look. Ayan na, nakakaramdam na siya. Ano kayang ipi-play ni Mami? Ano kayang ipi-play ni Mami? Aha? Ano kayang ipi-play ni Mami? Blink twice. Ayan na. Nakikita niya na, guys. Ready na siya. Nagre-ready na siya, guys. Ayan na. Alright. Ayan na. Up. 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 Lapit ka na lang. Hindi po siya Cocomelon or whatsoever. Blink twice lang, guys.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it. Cause you know I'm running.
Oo, kumalma.
I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like I do. If you like to blink twice, are you not twice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to make the taste. Let me get this surprise. If you like to blink twice,
Wala na. Pinost ko na. Wala na. Wala na.
Yeah, you better amaze me.
I'm at this spot. Every time we argue, ready or not.
Don't you leave me waiting.
Uy! 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 Kalma!
You got that symphony. Like I do. If you like to blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like to blink twice,
Oh! 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 Oh!
he's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. You really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like to blink twice,
Bye-bye!
maybe add a little spice. If you try to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like to blink twice, he's not
Ito. Salamin. Sorry. Sorry, Beanie. But ang pinaka-favorite niya lang ay si Blink Twice.
Here at the Skin White Skin Vision Center, we can